Listen, before we even start, let me tell you something, okay? Let me tell you something. First of all, this thing right here, I just bought it. I have no idea how to use it. Like the stand thing, okay, it can go on the GoPro, but when you have the case on the GoPro with the little speaker thing on it, then it don't fit on top of this. So we're gonna figure that shit out. But in other news, before we get started, I had the craziest Lunchable right here. If you guys know what I'm talking about, bam, fucking Bologna, American cheese, and a goddamn Butterfinger. It's right here. We haven't even ate it yet, but it's gonna smack. But in other news, see how cold it is. You're probably asking yourself, like, what is he doing? What's the plan? What's he got going on? How far has he gotten with the Genesis? And guys, listen, this is where we're at. So as each day goes on, we're getting closer and closer. If you look over here, I call it the big old pile of fucking bones. If you look over here, we got, I mean, fucking hoses, brake lines, and all kinds of shit. We bought these, we bought these right here, and honestly, that tire is probably gonna fucking roll right off of it again, but those little dolly wheel thingies come in handy, let me tell ya. Other than that, this is where we're at. So over here, everything is pretty much taken off. It's all gone. It's good. It's clean, ready to go. But over here, we have everything ready except, you see that it all leads? So it all leads right into here. Okay, which is obviously the driver's side. And obviously, as you can see, those big old black, white, and black dice balls right there. If you do look inside, obviously you could tell it's behind the steering wheel. So what did I do? I removed the entire fucking steering wheel, and yet, hold on, where's my light? Where's my light? Where's my light? Where's my light? Where is it? I know, there it is, there it is. There it is. That's the fucking hose handle. Where's the goddamn light? Okay, like on God, it was in the car the whole fucking time. Oh my fucking God. We put that on, and you can see that I have been doing something. So I'm scared to even get in here because if the car falls off these fucking tires, dude, it's gonna be so loud. But so if we put this back, right, I'm gonna make an assumption, a crazy assumption, that those wires, they're right there. So I'll try to set this light up here. There we go. The wires are right there coming into the car. So we did go over here and disconnect all of these. So as you guys can see, we've disconnected all of those. All those are hanging and dangling like a big old you know what. But now we have to figure out how to get more up and start pulling the entire harness out and through, and then out the hole. So that is the mission that we're gonna work on today and try to figure it out. And if we can actually get the damn wires through, then the next step would be that obviously we pull the wires, all this stuff off, and everything is tied into one. So this will all come right off, and then finally we'll have a clear, empty engine bay. Now, before you ask, and then what? Well, the next mission would be get your degreaser and, you know what I'm saying, spray it down, clean it, scrub it, wipe it down, etc. And really the mission is this stuff right here, right? All this brown shit, and look at this, build up around the fucking screw holes. We want to go through and get all that shit cleaned up. We want to go over here, look at this shit right here, the brown shit. We want to go through there, get all that shit cleaned up. You got some shit right here. I mean, look, it's fucking chipping. Like, what the fuck is that? So we want to go through and have the entire engine bay brushed, clean, you know, and then we're going to get repainted. Okay. Now, what color? I don't know yet. But when we get to that point, we should know what color we're going to fucking do. And then you may ask, and then what? Then we look at getting this 6.0 LS engine put into the car. We're gonna fuck around with these fucking wires, and we're gonna see how much further we can get. So I'm just gonna shut the fuck up and kind of get into it. Let's go.
how to be, boy.
Depot on the beat.
Listen, I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it is a different day, okay? It's a whole, turn the camera around here, it's a whole different day. It's nice out, ooh, motor, right? It's nice out, there goes the dogs, it's sunny out. Ew, it feels really good, it's warm. And let me tell you, I mean, so after the video cut, and we were gonna try to get the damn dash out, I have realized due to, let me get this light here, due to newfound evidence that it is not as easy as I thought. So that I don't make the video, 4 hours long, we're gonna cut it right here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned. Again, we're gonna get there. We're gonna figure it out. This car will get to where we need it to be. It won't be tomorrow. It might not be this year, but at some point, it'll get there. See you in the next one. Make sure to follow. I'm putting links in the comments below to the Facebook page, if you will. I might have clothing brand come in to support Curry. Pretty cool, right? Whatever. Hey, listen. Like the video, subscribe. Do what you gotta do. If you don't, you don't. Who cares? See you in the next one. Wow.